So away they go, then a good start there for Rochelle Clayton. Lane number 4, Bromfield also going out well. On the outside, Riston and Bailey Cole. So it's Clayton and Bromfield at the moment. On the inside is Safia Thompson. She has some work to do, 250 meters left. Clayton and Bromfield and Tracy Cole. That's Bailey Cole, my apologies. 150 meters left now, and it is Bromfield from Clayton. So, Bromfield with the advantage in the home stretch. Bromfield, Clayton, Bailey Cole. So Bromfield wins it. Clayton will be second, and Riston and Bailey Cole in third. 52-7.